Hey kids, you are watching Elisa and Farzana. Click here for subscribers. Today we will learn birds' name. Crow. This is crow. Crow means kowa. Parrot. This is parrots. Parrot means tota. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Sparrow means chidiya. Eagle. This is eagle. Eagle means chill. Owl. Owl means ullu. This is owl. Peacock. This is peacock. Peacock means mole. Penguin. It's penguin. Penguin means penguin. Hey kiddos, click here for subscribers for new amazing videos. Thank you for watching.